Suppose you are reading a book and suddenly a call comes. You attend the call. Now, after attending the call, you came back again to read the book. But you forgot the page number, the place, the page. So, how will you get it now? After a few days, again you were reading, and again a call came. So, you went to attend the call. Before going, you kept a bookmark on that page, and then you closed the book, and then you went to attend the call. After coming back, you can directly open the page now from here because of the bookmark. But what is a bookmark? A bookmark is an object or other material used to mark a page in a book. So today you are going to learn how to make a bookmark with very few materials. So these are some of the bookmarks which I use. Isn't it looking cute? Let us see the materials needed to make a bookmark. Our bookmark is ready to use. I also made some other designs and one I left it white without coloring it. Now let's see how to use it. While you're reading the book and you think you're going to close it, before you close it, keep this bookmark on that page just like this I'm showing you. And now you can close the book. And after some time again you want to open, you can open the same page easily just like this. Do try it and comment below, did it work? or not. Till then, bye. See you in next video.